What's going on, traders? Johnny here, and I want to go over Chipotle's 50-to-1 stock split and how it went from over $3,000 to a little under 62 bucks. It all starts right now. All it asks is that you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So guys, Chipotle Mexican Grill was trading at $3,000 before its 50-to-1 stock split. It has now pulled back since the split, going from highs of $69 down to lows of $61 for about 11% depreciation. Now, what does this mean? Well, let me share my screen with you. Chipotle 50-for-1 stock split happened on June 26th. And guys, for many, this is a historic moment. This is probably one of the largest stock splits I have ever seen. Ever. And it's the first time the company, which has been public since 2006, has split its stock. As many investors are likely happy about this, Chipotle has had a 4-figure price tag since 2020. Now, management cited this usual reason for the stock split to make it more accessible to employees and a broader range of retail investors. A more than $3,000 price tag could indeed fill out of reach to many of investors like you and me with limited funds at their disposal. And being able to give top employees more opportunity to share in the company's success can attract and keep more talent. Now, for all current and prospective shareholders, here's what to expect moving forward. First, the lower share price. At market close on June 25th, shareholders on record as of June 18th received an additional 49 shares for each share they already owned. And as of this writing, the stock is trading at a split adjusted price of about $64 per share. Pretty amazing. Now, although the market cap, which is a value of all of the outstanding shares, stayed the same, the change in the share price does affect per share metrics. For example, Chipotle's trailing 12-month earnings per share, or EPS, of $46.86 has now become 94 cents. As an aside, that's impressive level of profitability made possible by the company's industry-leading profit margins. Now, when the second quarter earnings releases in July, they'll be tied to the new outstanding share count of 1.4 billion shares. As for a year-over-year comparison, management will use split-adjusted figures to measure any changes. Now, this is just going to be an amazing opportunity because not only can you have better long-term gains and the ability to get into this company for a much cheaper price, you can guarantee that this company is going to continue to go up. I like Chipotle myself. There's been massive growth opportunity with this company. They have plans to double its number of locations to 7,000 locations nationwide. And forget the stock split and buy Chipotle stock for the right reasons: steady growth, strong profitability, and a robust long-term outlook. Now, when we look back at WeBull, you can see that it has been steadily going up ever since. Even back from 2022 to now, of highs of 187% profit. You could have put your money into this company and it would have continued to go up. Now, you definitely know I'm going to be adding Chipotle Mexican Grill, or ticker symbol CMG, to my long-term portfolio with over $30,000 in it. I'm probably going to scoop up maybe, I don't know, 50, maybe even 100 shares. That'd be anywhere from $3,000 to about $6,000 in Chipotle. I'm going to be adding this to my long-term portfolio and holding it for a number of years. I am super excited that they finally reverse stock split this so that we can get in. Now, imagine buying 50 shares at $3,000 or one single share for $3,000. There's no comparison, right? It's amazing to be able to finally invest in a company that I feel strongly about investing in. I like Chipotle. I eat there a lot. You know, I like their business model. It's simple, it's to the point, and this is a company I can see growing back up to that $1,000 mark, $3,000 mark eventually. Now the market cap is 86 billion, and obviously there are other companies out there that trade at a much higher level, like Google's at $2.2 trillion. Okay, so it's not another Google, but I can guarantee you this company could even go up to $100. So if you guys enjoyed this little stock analysis or review on Chipotle, do me a favor, smash that like button. And remember, I trade live every single morning, Monday through Friday at market open. So whatever time the market opens in your time zone and in your area, you can guarantee I will be trading live from 30 minutes to an hour long. You can watch me get into a position and out of positions, ask me questions, and get inside my head as to exactly why I'm trading that stock for the day. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next live stream. Let's all end the year on a green note, and we'll see you all later. Have a good day.